Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. The object of education is not to fill a man's mind with facts. It is to teach him how to use his mind in thinking. Greatest thing in life is experience. Even mistakes have value. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Whether you believe you can or not, you are right. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Impossible means that you haven't found a solution yet. A poor man is not the one without a cent. A poor man is the one without a dream. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. It's your thinking that decides whether you are going to succeed or fail. The secret of success is to understand the viewpoint of others. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. A man's real education begins after he has left school. True education is gained through the discipline of life.